What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Always in Black, and as you can see, I'm sitting here in green, but I got a package. Let me turn this down. So I got a package today, and I wanted to actually show you guys the packages as I open them, because a lot of times I don't do my videos as soon as I get the packages. So let me show y'all how they come. So this one did not come in a TikTok bag. Normally they come in a TikTok bag, but this one is actually from a brand. So let's see what we have here. Shit, I dropped something. All right, so sorry. So if you've been following me for a while, and if you are watching this on my YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I also have a private style group that is on Facebook, and that I talk a lot of that on that. In that group, I go live and I talk and show a lot of the stuff that I get from brand deals as well as from my store, and that I get a lot of clothes. So I decided this go round that I wanted to get some accessories. That's what I did. I did get some clothes. I did order some clothes. I mean, just a couple of clothes. So I have a whole box of clothes in there, so that content will be uploaded. I have my assistant uploading some of that stuff. So I'm actually super excited about these accessories. Just a couple of bags. And this is actually a small mini haul that I'm excited to show you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys this first. I wasn't too sure about this, and I can't wait to style this. So I'm just showing y'all. This is an unboxing. Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. So I said accessories, right? So I am normally a silver girl. Normally a silver girly. So I wanted a silver necklace. Don't ask me why. And I usually like rhinestone. Why is this not with this? Is this supposed to be a necklace? Is it supposed to be together? Bah humbug. This is already broke. There we go. Oh, it clips together. So this, I was supposed to put the charm on first, I guess. All right, my bad, y'all. All right, so it also comes with this charm, and the reason why I ordered it was because of the charm. And I just wanted something to be like, pow, when I have on my necklace, when I have on my little t-shirts. And this is it. That is so cute. I can't wait to style this. This is so cute. It comes with a bracelet too. You'll rarely see anything on my arms. The only time I have something on my arms is if it's a Zori bead. So yeah, I probably won't wear that. I'll probably put that in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make that as a part of a giveaway. Next up, we have this. I needed a colorful bag. So I got this cute little bag. So I'm excited to style this. So I always need some color because I'm always in black. So isn't that cute? And then we have this in here. I forgot what I ordered. Oh. We have this one. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I love this. Oh, I can't wait to style this. Yes, honey. I can't wait to sell this one. Okay. So again, this is a little mini. All right, let me see what this apparel is real quick. And then I'll get to figuring out how I am going to style this stuff. This looks like a pant set, a wide leg pant set with a top, and of course it's black. And I know what that is. And what is this? The perfectly imperfect. I thought this was a sweatshirt. Oh, I guess it could be. Okay. All right, so I did think that this was going to be a sweatshirt, but I'm glad that it's not because I'm down here in hot ass Texas. But make sure that you guys come back. This is only going to be part 1. I am going to figure out how I'm going to style these. I think I'm actually going to wear these with some shorts, and I'm probably going to pair that with this and maybe like go to the show or something and show y'all that. I think that would be fun. But this is actually like a little mini haul. I'm going to link where I got it from down below. But thank you guys so much for watching this little mini haul. And if you like what I have shown so far, especially if you like watching fashion, I wear a lot of black. And if you like business, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me for more.